Once we have the MongoDB server, which is the Mongo Atlas ready, we would like to fire some commands. To do so, we need a MongoDB client. So we'll be using something called RoboMongo. So I'll just Google search for RoboMongo and then you find robomongo.org, and this is the link. Simply click on Robo 3T free open source MongoDB GUI. So we'll just get into that, and then we have a double pack. We don't need that. Studio also I don't require. Maybe I'll go to downloads, double pack. I'll skip. I need this Robo 3T. Okay, so Robo 3T brings support for MongoDB 4.2 and a Mongo shell upgrade from 4.0 to 4.2 with the ability to manually specify visible databases. Alright, so just click on download, and depending on what machine you are using and what operating system, mine is Windows, and then I'll put my email ID, area code India, and then I'll put my number, and then download for Windows. Okay, so there are two things here, exe and zip. So you may go for either of those. I'll just go for a zip. So it's downloading, pretty much 24.5 MB, so less than 10 seconds. So it's downloaded, show in folder. I simply cut it from there and then I'll paste it in my folder Robo3T. Okay, right click and then you simply extract. So once it is extracted, so the folder is here. I'll get into the folder and I find a robo3t.exe. Simply double click and your installation will begin. Alright, so agree, and you have to put your company name, maybe, yeah, so let's put it. Alright, so this is the page where you actually land up. Okay, so simply cancel for the moment, and this is where you land up and wait.